Good morning, YouTube friends. This is Jim, back to you with another video. Thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. So, here's the thing. Have you ever gone to someone's home, they wanted some help, and you got there, and you thought, I'm working with almost like two left hands because I don't have a clue what I'm doing? Well, I've got a little project to do, and I'm going to be doing that probably tomorrow. What I'm actually doing is repairing some pew legs at a church. So, yeah, sure, I'll help, no problem. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm pretty handy. I can pretty much master anything I tackle. So, yeah, I can do that. Well, then I got thinking about it, and I thought, how am I going to do that? They showed me the pew legs. They showed me they're all split. Pews are probably 40 years old. And so I thought, okay, I'll have to figure something out. So what I've got here, and of course, no one's advertising, no one's promoting me on this video. What I have here is a Kreg Jig. And I have some screws. Like I said, pretty much anything I can do, I can handle it, and I get it done right. But this is a new challenge for me. So I figured I was going to go over today and do that. I thought, no, I've got this Kreg Jig. I might as well figure out how this thing works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a board, and I'm going to basically pretend it's a pew leg. That way, tomorrow, when I go over to do the real thing, I'll show up and they'll say, man, this guy's a professional. So, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get this thing, and I'm going to simulate a pew leg. Well, not to waste too much material, I'll just cut myself two 12-inch pieces. Okay, there we have a pew leg. Big split down the middle. Okay, let's see what I can do to fix this thing. Ouch. So, this is 1 inch thick. Like I say, I've used this once, a long time ago, but I had somebody helping me. So, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so apparently, this thing goes in here. Half inch, 3/4 of an inch, 1 1/4, 1 1/2. Oh, there we go, the other side. 1 inch. Okay, so this is 1 inch. I'm assuming I go right to there. Better to experiment on a scrap piece of wood than to wreck somebody's stuff. Okay, there's 1 inch right there. So I've got the 1 inch line right there. Now, does that mean this piece goes to that 1 inch line, or does that mean the drill bit goes to 1 inch line? So for now, I'm gonna use the drill bit to the 1 inch line. Anyways, this is not a how-to video because I don't know how to do this. I'm experimenting, I'm learning. Okay. So then I get this thing here. I adjust this to 1 inch. There's a 1 inch mark. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's a 1 inch mark. Then I'll tighten that up. Okay, let's see what happens. Throw this bad boy inside here. Hopefully this works well for me, because like I say, I'm so handy, and there's so much I've done over the years. But with a Kreg jig, there's so much more you can do. I got a buddy of mine who uses the Kreg jig all the time. His name's Conrad. In case you're listening, thanks for helping me do that railing a couple years ago with your Kreg jig. Okay. Got this set for 1 inch. Let me double check that. Okay, that's set for 1 inch. That goes like that. That goes like that. Okay. Moment of truth. Okay, let's see what we got. Here we go. There's my 2 holes on this half the pew. These things are really handy, these clamps. Got these from Canadian Tire, Mastercraft. Again, no one's sponsoring this video, but just want you to know where I got them from. Now, what the plan is when I do this for real, probably tomorrow, I'm going to be be gluing these before I clamp them. Okay, only need one clamp. Okay, now get these things here out. They say that fine coarse for hardwood and fine coarse for hardwood and like the larger coarse for softwood. So this is softwood I'm dealing with. So I don't know how long to put these things. That's a 1 inch. That's 1 inch. I probably need more than 1 inch. I probably need like 1.25 inches. There's 1.25 inches. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Seems pretty firm to me. Slap a bit of glue on there before I do it. I think I'm good. So I guess the idea is going to be to lift up the corner of the pew, pull the leg off, glue it, clamp it. No, I'll drill a hole in the one side, glue it, clamp it, and then screw them together. And according to the video, they say that these screws are really good and that you don't even need to glue it. But I'm going to glue it anyways. So they got like 6 or 8 legs to fix. So, yeah, an off-grid project. Let's see what happens when we put a longer screw in. Board's 1.5 inches, but it's on an angle. That's 1.25 inches. See what happens. Put a longer screw in here. Gotta grab a knife. It's 1.5 inch board. No, it's 1 inch board. I've got 1.25 inch screw in it. But it's going in on an angle, right? Let's throw 1.5 inch screw in just to see. I'm curious. I figure if you have a longer screw, then you have more bite. Okay. Okay, I see a slight little crack there. I wonder if that's a screw coming through. Yep, that's a screw coming through. Okay, so 1.5 inch board. No, 1 inch board. I put 1.25 inch screw in. I don't know if it says that on the video. I didn't see it. But 1.25" screw for a 1-inch board. So because I'm going at an angle, and I have to go into this board a little bit, guess that's where your 1.25" would come in handy. Now, I have seen another video where you can actually mount this to your wood. Oh no, that's mounted to a desk or something, table. I did see one where you get the one part and you can mount it right to your wood. Well, there's my video on the Kreg Jig. It's actually a pretty amazing little tool. Like I say, no one's promoting me on this video. But, you know, for your off-grid home, you want to do little projects around the house, this is the tool to buy. And like I say, the only reason I'm telling you what the tool is to help you guys out. So someday I'll have sponsors, but my channel's too small for sponsors right now. So there you have it. Well, I'm pretty happy with how that went. So if you have any little projects around your house that you want to do, this thing comes with an amazing video as well. You got a loose chair leg, you got a loose table top. This is the tool you want to buy, the Kreg Jig. Well, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully that'll help a couple of you guys figure out a little project. And subscribe to my channel. It would help me grow. And yeah, it seems every time I'm doing a video, I got this stupid red shirt on again. It's been washed. It's clean. But it's a work shirt. And I'm out working. So, anyways, you guys have yourself a great day. Have a safe day. And we'll talk to you in the next video.